So I was just blowing out my hair and came up with an idea. I was going to show you how I install my stickers. If it's worth anything to you, fine. If not, go to the next video. This is how I do it. It may not be the right way for everybody, but I'll show you the steps that I take. So, one's a hair dryer. You need index, roll paper towels, nice rag, and sticker. This one's from my friend Jose when he had a KLR. I guess he still does. He hasn't sold it yet. Here we go. So first thing you want to do is prepare the surface. Make sure that it's all the wax and dirt, grime, stuff like that is off. And see just about where you want to position the sticker. Make sure it's going to fit. And it's going to fit right about there. And now we're going to get busy. So the next thing I like to do is heat up the sticker. Now it's going to be loud, but what you want to do is you want to heat up the sticker and get the glue going and make the vinyl pliable so that it, this not so much because it's a nice smooth surface, but if you had like these little indentations here, you could probably get this sticker to fit right over the indentations because it's vinyl. You can heat it up and it becomes more pliable. So I won't put you through the whole thing, but you can already see it's starting to get floppy. I'm going to heat it up and get it going here. So once you get it heated up, I like to put a little Windex on the surface so I can move it around. And do this quickly. Take your heated up sticker. Hopefully it comes off quickly, because I can already feel it getting setting up again on me. Another thing you can do is use your driver's license or a credit card, and it'll further get the get that Windex out of there. Just like that. No bubbles or anything. We'll do it one more time for all you Dallas Cowboy fans out there. So the first thing you want to do is get the surface clean. Make sure you got your space. You know what space you're going to put it in there. Going to heat it up. Put your Windex on there to get it sliding around. Get it in the spot, just the spot you want it. And start working on the getting that Windex out. Like I said, just grab your trusty Arizona driver's license or whatever state you may be from, and work that Windex right out to the corners. Make sure you don't have any bubbles in there. There you are. Perfect.